Ever wondered how millions of cucumbers are transformed into the crunchy pickles we all love? Get ready for an exclusive, behind-the-scenes look inside a mega factory where cutting-edge technology turns fresh produce into delicious pickles at lightning speed. It all starts in the fields, where millions of fresh cucumbers are harvested at the peak of ripeness. Farmers across vast regions work to grow these cucumbers with care, knowing that quality at this stage makes all the difference. Harvesting machines collect the cucumbers, and they're quickly loaded onto trucks that deliver them straight to the factory. This transportation process is key to maintaining freshness, as cucumbers are highly perishable. Once they arrive, each cucumber is carefully inspected, ensuring that only the best ones make it into the pickling process. After all, in large-scale production, consistency is everything. A single bad batch can affect the flavor of thousands of jars. Now, the cucumbers enter the first stage of processing. Advanced machinery sorts them by size, color, and quality. Sensors detect any imperfections, and cucumbers that don't meet the standards are filtered out. This ensures that every cucumber in the factory is of the highest quality, giving you the perfect crunch every time. Once sorted, the cucumbers move to the cleaning stations. This is where automation really shines. High-powered water jets and rotating brushes work together to wash each cucumber, removing dirt, pesticides, and any other contaminants. This part of the process is incredibly important, as any leftover dirt could ruin the final product. With cleanliness guaranteed, the cucumbers are ready for the next stage. This is where the real transformation happens. Cucumbers are submerged in massive tanks filled with a carefully crafted brine solution. The brine is the secret to making great pickles, combining the right balance of salt, vinegar, and spices to create that signature flavor. These tanks hold thousands of gallons of brine, and the process is controlled down to the finest detail. Computers monitor the levels of each ingredient, adjusting the balance to ensure that every batch tastes exactly the same. The cucumbers can stay in the brine for anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, depending on the desired flavor and texture. The longer they soak, the more intense the flavor becomes. The factory has multiple recipes, from traditional dill pickles to more experimental flavors, each with its own brining schedule. After the pickles have absorbed all the flavor, it's time for packaging. The cucumbers are drained from the brine and quickly moved to the next station, where automation takes full control. Massive conveyor belts carry the pickles into machines that fill the jars, ensuring that each jar has the right amount of pickles, brine, and any additional spices. Within seconds, lids are placed on the jars, and they are sealed shut, ensuring freshness for months. Next, the labeling process begins. Thousands of jars roll down the line, where machines rapidly apply labels, ensuring every jar has the correct branding and product information. During this stage, strict quality control measures are in place to ensure that every jar is sealed properly and every label is placed perfectly. It's amazing to see how quickly this happens. The factory can package and label thousands of jars in just minutes, with precision and efficiency that would be impossible by hand. Once the jars are packed and labeled, they're sent to the shipping department, where pallets of pickle jars are stacked, wrapped, and loaded onto trucks. The distribution system ensures that these pickles reach stores worldwide, arriving fresh and ready for customers to enjoy. This part of the process is a logistical masterpiece. Every day, hundreds of trucks leave the factory, delivering millions of jars across the country and beyond. Keeping these jars fresh and ready for customers is a challenge, but modern transportation methods ensure that every jar arrives in perfect condition. As more factories turn to automation, we have to ask, could this technology replace traditional jobs in food processing? It's a complex issue, as automation boosts efficiency but also changes the job landscape. What do you think? Is this the future of food production? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this process fascinating, check out our other videos for more behind-the-scenes factory tours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our new content.